Attorney General caught gay with the kind of information we have on this girl. If Attorney General go after impersonation is a crime, what she's doing is a crime. On your doctor, and there was Ghana. I know for a fact that this girl has been taking care of people as a doctor in Ghana. So she's a criminal. She's impersonating. She needs to go to jail. Also, the jail. And if this Attorney General you got in your doctor. Trust in no. Anna or money have been tailored with information. Plane crash a corona winyaya. Because we decided yes or be working on Moscow for a mutiny. What feel, I'm not a weak leader. I'll cut your head off. And let this be a warning to anybody who wages war with me. Who wages war with me? I'll be ready. You want to survive it? Exactly. I'll cut your head. So when you get me, don't miss. Because when you shoot at me and you miss. Okatakyie Afrifa was in a basement. Unnecessary insult, bad energy. I want to focus. The ambassador we are saying is not about these unnecessary trivialities. Then it turns out say Obama and not trapping. Now crazily. So at some point, even when I had found out, I decided that I was not going to go into the dirty gutters with them because thinking that me manepre, I'm an assistant and me who say Bonia by the team, I quite say who jump at the team. So I have no other option than to give them a dose of your homogen. Precisely. And you see, because ultimately, the Kwasia boy where your mouth for. So we can't walk only penny for Conantia. No, feed the cabin teller with information. All said the cabin teller the amount for ultimately within 2 seconds. We're Ghanaian free social media. And Sansa Dali, Ghanaian free social media. But what deactivating the account in Ghana? Nothing to wrote out ye reader. Unya doctor. Also your doctor. Me Afrifa family so unya doctor baby. Baby I was in a catching professor in the office in your office. And if you catch in China or the years baby or year 2022. When me and Tria come here or Johnny one fabric 2022. And the American be I bet me assume. And I know what constitutes defamation. But only credibility. So she cannot come and seek for defamation. Said be original baby father. Or a doctor ni. Now Adiana a bonnet hana as a card. A ATM card. Oh, I'm telling you, and video nimu, it do be a match them. And I'm saying, we are Danny ATM. None of the pictures are also a doctor. Card in the I don't know what Danny card in the and then is zooming in no more card. ATM card, be able to 3 digit numbers which or should zooming in no more card. ATM card. And this girl can edit to the point that I don't know only can tell a cast or what they call cyber security against me. I edit precisely. And can tell them what's some more didn't come up baby. I edited it was a 3 digit pin in a walk down. Mamu, so 3 digit pin I had a walk ATM and a walk down. ATM card. And she still never watching it. Still no ATM card. And you got in your doctor. Now my car was someone chiasi. It's now with that mention words. Oko jail in 2007, Oko jail in 2008 for a year retail theft, chrono and burglary. Our records are there. Our U.S. State County, Pennsylvania. I have a card in so this is an ATM card. An ATM card, 3 digits P, Nidiana and Wasio. And as I see when ATM card. And a black line in Boho. It's Yana card and you only doctor's card. I'm telling you, what the doctor's card. Sansa Kroma. That's any day Sansa. When you say Sansa, Eya Kroma. Yakasa Sansa, Eya Kroma. It was a criminal. And as we move, not only is she a fake doctor, but oye romance scam. What me pretend this one yam. Not the agent crofosika. You be show messages. Now make us one Kevin Taylor or your informant keke. Not knowing only Kevin Taylor were into relationship. So you Kevin Taylor girl. We will show all those messages. Tell them make you. Mr. Kokoma for this will be too. I'll go after you. I will let the people know you are not a doctor. You are a fake doctor. On your doctor will America baby. And now Mako Remra, a medical council and a dental and one for Kevin Taylor show were exposed on them. The only time when Kevin Taylor expose on them, hey, on Becca said, Mammy, and license in Nanim or be chatro at Romoso. It's Omoya no Musuranti. Almost you, dear kind of yes, and no crew. Nemo, we are only saying that she is not a doctor within the confines of Ghanaian law. Make Afrifa and me making emphatic statement. Say, well, on your doctor, America, baby. John Hopkins University, the profile was what called 4.0. Now, when John Hopkins University, are you crazy? Okay, I was saying, I started Temple University. Won him Temple University, and I diverted to John Hopkins. Such a lie. She's not a doctor. She's never been a doctor. The farthest she's come, almost certificate to be a friend HHE, Home Health Deben Assistant. It will know even the level of a nurse. And on go say I don't know what knowledge in the field because why home health home care, dear friend home care. Why a little bit of knowledge in the you didn't see in number 12. On medical school, baby. John Hopkins in Nimno. You put rich ram of fast one or edited and share John Hopkins idea. Now, you may when himself Otimi to the point that Mike Ezronye, Nigerian Mike Ezronye, on the country Produpino, will prove that. This is a whooper. Then you see, maybe after this show, imagine whom you know. Namashe. And when I catch the question, Penny said, Opa me soup one. I'll go after the girl 10. Now, when they say girlfriend or no, it's why emotionally involved. Was your talk? Now you didn't go for your atem. What did you go for your atem? One would only nipa. Was your penny? Ya touch your girlfriend. I said, and was it? The Niabre. I want to go on the Koya. Where we don't say. And this in Ipedibi. Last 2 months. Get away in the coaching place. Emma, girl, no recording. Say. And I will show you a year, Danny. For a year, dollars no. $100 video no. Fatu Sukran Saniaba. Only Kevin Taylor a year money laundering. There is an allergy be what to do. Then you know I will bring it. $100 we. Girl in there can say wash actually. But I know they will come there. Wait, I'm do POB in Yan. I'm do POB. On Kevin Taylor. So they blackmail people. On your information for one of their Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor, they are blackmail you for $100,000. I'm declare my man this year a year gateway. A Lisa Hotel. And a man catch it and say, "Menu watching now recording me." Fair enough. But me amount $50,000 and not $100,000. When you go after me again, I will assassinate you. As someone got man catcher. I don't Kevin Taylor give $50,000 from coach. And I'll come there. You flew, I'll come there. You are a criminal. Meaning but me no watch him pen and Yamagisa will mind you. Now, young her first video. Baby, I na Ojina say officer. Young her video no say a officer now. I am a kitchen chain. Now the bab girl and the bab boy, your friend William. What do you have? You wrestle? Good. Don't stop killing him. Kill him. Pause it. It will or Shishano home. Now, what barber ye photo shoot? It will we are. So we also at office. And yes, sir. Now, office and your baba home, mammy was a kitchen. Now, I asked you, a do baby. Card not the bone, almost a card and add an extra baby. It's young won't pay attention or better than a card in a cheek. She's a criminal. She's only posing for the cameras. Said a baby, we are Bepri. Now you are best at more another video. Okojina baby said, your friend a year come a hospital be Dali Family Medical. Okojina Hose, because Nidin the Dali no, and Edia. And Oko edit a year picture. Emani looking like a year hospital no bank account. No, they do pink for $21 million. What do you ever do? This guy is a criminal. And we are calling on her, the Attorney General, to go after her. And yes, sir, crime has no statute of limitation. And Attorney General, even if you go after this girl and you don't, case in it, per article 19, I think 19:7, Obijina Merenim, Nasia Kweti and I discharge. It is only the courts that can, you can say, recall for. So Attorney General court with the kind of information we have on this girl. If Attorney General go after, impersonation is a crime, what she's doing is a crime. On your doctor. And there was Ghana. I know for a fact that this girl has been taking care of people as a doctor in Ghana. So she's a criminal, she's impersonating, she needs to go to jail. Also the Mbeko jail. And if this Attorney General does not do the case well, now the case in the res judicata will not apply. We will let the court, with the kind of information we will put to the court, the court will recall it. Criminal. Now, for Yinchi,
kill Russell. Leave him dead. Happy Meal McDonald?
Yes.
You tell. My name is was a Happy Meal McDonald. My name is Okatakyie Afrifa. I some kind of walk on can be here.
Pause it. Kwachi akramenti mu said we sit down a card nechi because after na card ni show say a bank card no ye quick no than chiri. I said this girl is a criminal. She's not a doctor. She's never been a doctor. Now there's an expose aminya de to wa mu nyina mbedwane. And the baby father, there is a man be my friend William Ketchner. I want to social media. It's a statement of fact. Ne only ne bani sa boy na okasa wono. Ne bani di William, and I'm man di William. Eti me bi minim say ni kunu. Me catch you pain. Aha, yenko.
I want to come with pipe that. I want to get. Mommy? I want to buy this. Mommy, watch.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay. What's mine?
We or she shared you man. I know I said I for code lab. There's another video Saturday yeba yebebo. And no Okobi hospital. And I oko jina front you hono. As I hear the same thing ya wo yi. Owi ye no mo court lab ne stethoscope no. E dey share rubber bag when to ho. Yeba woni nyina mo. She is not a doctor anywhere in the world. Afi ye nto aso.
Hey, I'm sorry. A bit consumer. Fuck.
And you rise now, William. Stop using the F word. Stop it.
Mommy.
Oh, sorry, me. Just stop saying it.
Stop it. Stop it, mommy.
You stop it.
Stop it. Thank you, mommy.
Go put this down in the kitchen and come back. Go put it in the kitchen.
No.
Go put it in the kitchen now.
No, mommy.
Hurry up.
I want it.
Take it to the kitchen. Hurry up.
No, I want it. Chicken.
Kitchen, not chicken. Hurry up.
Eti mo say afi no enye office bia no wo eye ni fie wa and yemfa eye house number efie a wo ye ne house number ye de betudwa as we progress now we 2022 self year we went me and $3,600 ama ye bepamo ni free we took over we have the evidence here now Kofi yanko Danny forward ko anim edu ba bi obetena ase ni ade forward ko Or trans yanko.
You need to take that to the kitchen first, baby. Hurry up.
Mommy?
Yes, you didn't take it. What did you do with it?
No.
Can mommy do this one in peace, please?
No.
I just...
Gave me a fries.
Fries? Okay, I should give you fries and what? Go ahead. I'm taking the order.
Give me my Sonic toy.
You want a toy too? You want a Sonic toy in the kid's meal, right?
Yes.
Okay, what else do you want?
I want to tell you. I want to tell
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, you want pizza and what? I'm taking your order. Hurry up, honey.
Give me my car toy.
You want a toy car?
Yes.
Okay, and then what?
Give me a Pacho CMLs. Yes, Mommy. I want to tell you. Now.
Happy meal?
Yes. Kia Roberts.
Okay, so Jina ho. Obi a video na mano. So last end ho. Obeka said, did you capture all of that? Odi yenko. Ye wi afa me de mo be ko baby o ko Jina ya. E ho ye Dali medical is it Dali Family Medical? E wo US. Owi e no said that ko Jina o. Odi I will watch it. We all of us should. Etikabintela nipa wo boa no Emma or Jimfo or the no mpanimfo a no the information ko and only say me no ka say na president Mahama be ma away appointment because Kevin tell us on no appointment akede be ma no yemfa go away nkotene on anko no Kevin tell ntime benefit. I'm telling you kage away president Mahama be ma appointment such a criminal and me friend Bolare me senior ka chen say when I am done with this girl your station will suffer afa yenti. Wabo ba konasi Dani wabo esi Jina wansa Now with this video Dani mesa the second one bito so enya sa dia da me so bebo mienu say second one ne ye One Kevin tell ha enie start free ha Mezigovi, the most dangerous human beings, and Adia Kevin Taylor, the kind of blackmailer or young Kofo, with the help of this girl, you'll be shocked. And Mr. Bonusa, dollars, baby, Nani, Omudu Pio, a quite of Faswa, your friend guy be Femi in Nigeria, Omudu Pio, and Baba, Cyril. Mr. Pennyfo, no more Bokro, Kruma, may and me catch a gun and Pennyfo will backdoor say, Omoma get away to us here, the Oyena. I'll be forced to do something in this country, you'll be shocked. Precisely. Me catch them. For Nick Kevin tell us chassis, and I will gonna not take it. No, this was here, and then Mr. Yam caught ya, but she's away 8.2 inches. Yeah, for a better. For ruler, never ever 8.2. Okay, I'm going to go now. Yeah, me get a chill, get a chill. Now, my man got to show an anti with confidence. What but damn Maybe so okay, get on say me got to show now once I told that I got in the show. Now what for guitar? Now I will say a ball a dank to him. Now about could do na ba yen church a break stadium this so. I got stadium this so. Oh yes it I'm telling you. Yeah, for rule and for measure 8.2. I see anymore. I mean, never go one. Minkan, who do pink for Minkan was from this nonsense, Gabi Okatakyie, now will drag me din, now will control, and when we are school, one year say, and I'm saying, stop this things. Also, to where wouldn't need certificate here. Kwasiato no wanya nyan no omadwene ni mo haniti no da bia ye di wo asem ni di no evidence Kevin Taylor says here edit nyoma against people. Tell me one single person I say and I'm Kevin Taylor so jail. Tell me one single person. More fire. I remember from near the coins so the pattern time said to me the dimpen for atem kuma. Now yan ko back ni yan hwe lady no. Kofi, young lady no. Lady no Kevin Taylor girlfriend. Now I Wakachiro be said a year Dali Health medical health Nidia. It's yes will be Gina and Nimu. Now opposite is said here on the Madame have a young it's Mobera or Shahasha, eh? Did start Mobera or Shahasha, or be video into what you can any more radia. Hold on. Kwachi, Danny Kwachi Krabi. Have a moment say all flew on any yam on look at the body language. Because now you know there is a video at Twaso. Ope Obia drooping into no. Obia no the camera, a trian and son. No said that you're fast, you rear inside the hall. Now Okatakyie into the people will not know what she's saying. No the camera in video, me place here no a hason. Okay, so at the end of the day, Obaba catcher said. And you nyama we nyina ashoto oso ya na ne Kevin Taylor mu jimi oso ya na ne Kevin Taylor mu jimi kroma and wo ya me catch us stop these things and me twauti because boni wo trim na me semema Ghana for hu ha wa wo ko ye ko dupi and you call that abortion for expo wo de bia ye me nuanti me no beto nche ade mo nyina mo hushim yonkodo Trinity. Now, Obano, Danny Kuachika Krabina, let's share the body language. Just say, well, we are not watching a picture. Now, more damn no mental problem. Will you be doing these things? Have it here. Moja Edani, Oja video no. First one na ye first. It will remu and was said akoye and yebe no. Dani eno na wo show okay that's it gina ho. Afa yan hwade a say or said that the camera na ne nemu na wo kasa fam and fa you go see him. Crazy girl. Oh, you kura nyama we nyina wo to. When I'm telling you to stop this stupidity with Kevin Taylor, you think you are doing me. Make sure Danny Sabo free second one, second video na no there. Sabo free ho. Baby anu one nam na no ye, bo free ho. Afi mo hwa de bia wo ye. Kobi, the girl is the queen of editing. Precisely. Me say, omo Kevin Taylor, omo ye criminal say. Omo be mo believe in tro. I'm telling you. Me say Ghana for nioma be bra mo believe ye wo Kevin Taylor san. Omo tina si shed that editing. They are criminals. One girl we. Boni omo di Ghana for. If only you guys will stop this nonsense of believing Kevin Taylor who client singer. Na me Kwaku Afrifa me tie. And then Kevin Taylor let me dia be kire mo say. O shase free. Na Kwaku na ni kwati awuo. Mo amusa na say kwati ade achi oba ene wa wo senkraman no asase story ana na yire no obepamre wato ade achi o say mate se ayi menua ba no mo amusa say anti first one na wo kana na wan na odwe say wan so the guy is so stupid. Precisely. And he lies with confidence. And if you don't take a Kevin Taylor lies Kadeche will go to jail and people are so happy they think I'll go to jail. Meanwhile there is no criminal case anywhere in Ghana today that you are so stupid. And you believe this guy.
More fire.
Who believe Kevin Taylor? Afe yenhwe editing again on aye. Dani fa baby okogina aye na oye so video no. Ehwo ye Dali Health Medical. And because ni din Dali ni so ni no. Opese o prove chire obi se eye ne dia. Afe yenko na hwa ade. Yenko na hwa ade. Dan ayifa sa bayi ni to so. Dani fa Dali ayi ni to so. Dabi menim say 1 2 3 1 2 3 fa no a green signboard no fa no to so aha dan okay so original image no okay so even if you can Danny can you rotate it obeti me I rotate na mana ayi Danny work on it rotate no na afi o mo hwe so edin Dali Medical Health no ho and what nam say ye ne dia just look at that. Oh, we are no call edit a year document. Nasa document no. Osha document a year DFM. So Dali Family Medical. And why I say a year Wells Fargo Bank. A receipt. No, what you people don't know. You don't know who you are dealing with.
Scammers.
Or you're confident trickster and a scammer. This girl.
More fire.
Messi wo de yakono Messi obehu oni Kevin Taylor how won mu duping crofo kruma afani asase menya nwi na dani wo de ba afa wo hwe wewia yenkohwe editing na wo ye na o de agi obisika na otimi kopeke akola o hye niku na wa ka kire ye friend Nigeria ni bi femi say you to one send nisika otimi gi o $100,000 $200,000 we are no Kevin Taylor ye money laundry omo yusu guy bi otudu alaji ni number nyina beto
more fire
we are not joking o ye me catch us ade na wo ye no mempe say am pass a girl we will be tia me etimi ko jaila akwa nwini hu tu kura say one ma twempena denti ampa me wa oni anything against me precisely and tro no betwa ye na okay so this is it. So the original revert to original. So or edit video no. Esa nneema bi won to hwe a enipa no pick ya wo ye you know. Esa revert the video to original. So this is the original. This is Wellspan Health. Dali Family Medicine. Eti the din Dali no. Enye ne din no. Ne din ankasa de eye anasansa. Na Dali no okowari old man bi. And say o twa microphone tro say o ware Tim Dali a oye movie actor. Onye Tim Dali bi ahire. And me say wo better to she's a confident trickster.
Precisely.
It will who Dali Health Medicine no ko gina ho. Na afi o wi en fameko ne enkohwe editing of Wells Fargo bank account. Our the drooping microphone. She's a confident trickster. And nobody should nobody should come and tell you say and now your medical doctor on your medical doctor be anywhere in the world. So I've here wako editing Wells Fargo America and I also DFM. So DFM near Dali's Family Medicine. Okay. And watch $21 million almost can control. And watch us your payroll a year 133,000. So I will show you what she used this to do. The auditor idea or editing. I will show you what she uses it to do.
More fire.
In a chat.
More fire.
Otimi kopeke akola o den niku anioma hye ne ho no wo de asende be ma say wo sa otimi on one cassette me yes onyem romance scam and I'm coming to America there. I'm going to make sure the American authority will take you on.
More fire.
Because romance scam is a crime in America.
Exactly.
Oh, ne Kevin Taylor say mo de me ko afifa be koji. I'm say mo bobo adam. Na na me twen ya say court to kron be ba so. Ni ya prove how mo editors an kwase asem na ka mo de beto. And Kevin Taylor share mo nyoma no ni age ana Kevin Taylor no ye good o no Jimmy nko editing say ya. We was Fargo account we. Account summary. Eya editing. Why edit it? And then the phone so. It we are not the actual Dali Family Health medicine ya media. It's my bank account you need. It's you know sir. Onim so akoji will be Lexus. So they koya de. E ko twa fake account to so. Me say nyama we ya kiss ye be bio wa ha. Na ye di bi beto. Ma catchero. O boyfriend kwasi ampani no. Ya woni ni duping for Kevin Taylor. Me say we Kwasi say, "What your patro of throw a family? I'll come after the girl time." Now me guys omo ye namfo keke. Eze me hunu say the girl no, the girlfriend. So the girlfriend no dia. That means no girlfriend in the Jimmy. And maybe who will be our emotions. I'll go after you. Kwasi to
fire.
O girl no be ko jail. Hope will be ko jail. She will go to jail for crimes against humanity. Wait. On your doctor. Now taking care of people in this country. Also taking care of people in this country. I'll prove it to you. This guy is not a doctor anywhere in the world. It is unfortunate I have to do this because one way I know I will be prescription. Two, I'm drooping crofo, and I owe it a duty. Some nipa no man fall victim to that nonsense.
More fire.
Today, on the gun and penny for being but after we do what? Why do you think what and penny for time or dim was some? Because of Bob Chrono no neighbor. We have no Casacajuma prepare an appointment. Yet your woman Niama met a few, ever patch on. Niama, guy no di candy a story by also a patch. So Niama Chopana. It's not that a some no kind in your crew. Name was one Quadia, some so the Google anymore. So assembly no correct. Name Munanko keeping a secret. This guy is a criminal. On a Kevin Taylor, a young Ghana Medical Council force. All of a sudden, Kevin Taylor, I have information on Ghana Medical Science. It says Obwa, Obekantron, or Beretin your man for Monkwa. It one year expose on them. Until some Mokasa or girlfriend and yet licensed in Ghana. 9 years expose. Was Seattle. Made the Ragas or the Bams are going. Man, everybody.
No retreat.
Nimuntia. No retreat. Missing sure for man Numbia. Would join. After your baba. I will pretend this one. Now what did Jim Memasika? Ever chilling Medical catchers were jail 2 times. In 2007, Okoria Niama shop, a retail theft. In 2008, burglar will break you, the company will break you, Kokoria.
More fire.
Wait, they said now, dear gentlemen in the Jai. And then Nancy Kakrem, who a business, no, I know what you can was a Samson. Quadricate to an fire, he goes in. Quadricate to us who are begging 10. What to be tracy? What a patch.
More fire.
Giant.
More fire.
They said, the mayor on the Kevin Taylor. When a Kevin Taylor. Why am I first one with your money laundering? Money laundering is a crime in Ghana, a crime in the US. Now, I catch yourself by the time I'll Kevin, now I didn't do see play. And so the FBI what Johnny? I'm telling you. Where were you look at terrorists, Kevin Taylor? Said what me inciting for against Asante for you know that is local terrorism. And it's against the laws of US. He knows. So you remember US authorities for whom? A choir offers we incite people against other tribes. A choir offers which me threaten you can't drink water. Or dying. You will get them as me no baby no. That's play muba. So this girl is not a medical doctor anywhere. She's a confident trickster. And we're duping Crofobebri. You better expose you as we move.
More fire.
General, we are not retreating. What said the money be amo fanyeme. Opa munko chime manko kuomo. Opa munko kuminiano. Yambasa mu ye bi amo koye. Enya mema sem. Menya ya magwe sem mema eye criminal. Ya exposing. I will expose a criminal. And it's a nya sem ni yanka. O Kevin Taylor say wo dogana. Eboa. Kwasiato. Na dogana na go be a fake medical doctor. Nya nka exposing. I join my year so exposing and we are showing him weaponizes our sex in your man. So when you say, okay, there is nothing you can do. So there is nothing you can do. And he ridicules you in the eyes of the people. But it is a way you'll be a boom, who brought so now, who's running everywhere. Man. Una no contrem. Amen.
Pound for pound.
Now what the nyama we run.
Pound for pound.
Fantini be see a table do kono etew. Awala enyimumpo enyima ka gwan ataza. Udwan.
That's a boy.